Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to publish your Replit app on App Store. First, open the Replit website on your computer and log into your account by clicking on Logging at the top right corner. You can choose a Continue with Google to log in quickly using your Google account credentials. Once you're logged in, click on Apps from the left side menu to see your existing projects. Here, select the project you want to publish, for example, Python, and click on it again to open the project interface. After the app opens, look at the top right corner and click on Publish. This will prepare your app for deployment. Once it's published, you will have the option to add a custom domain if you want, and you should copy the app URL at this stage because you'll need it later for app building platforms. Next, open a new browser tab and search for Median. Click on the first link to go to the Median website. If you already have an account, click Login and enter your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, click on Sign Up, enter your email, and complete the registration process to create a new account. After logging in, you will see a field to paste your app URL. Paste the Replit app link you copied earlier. Then enter the app name you want to display on users' devices and select your organization if applicable. Once everything is filled in, click on Start Building My App to continue to the app customization phase. Now, it's time to configure the visual and functional settings for your app. First, select your app icon. The app icon represents your app on the device home screen and in system settings, so it's important to choose a clear, high-quality image. Upload a square PNG or JPG image, preferably at 1024x1024 pixel resolution to avoid blurriness. Next, enable the splash screen if you want one. The splash screen appears while the app is loading and ensure a smooth transition until the app fully launches. You can adjust its appearance to match your app's theme. Then choose a theme color for your app, which will affect UI elements throughout the app. You can also customize the status bar color so that it blends well with your app's interface on both iOS and Android devices. On the right side of the platform, there is a simulator that lets you preview how your app will look and behave on mobile devices. You can either select iOS or Android in the simulator and click to start the app. This lets you check the layout, colors, splash screen, and icons before finalizing the build. Once you are satisfied with the preview, click Save to save all your changes. The platform will start building your app and you will see a progress bar indicating the status of the build. After the initial build is complete, click Rebuild for Android to generate the Android APK version and Rebuild for iOS to generate the iOS version. The platform will process both builds, and once finished, your app will be ready to testing or submission to the respective app stores. You can now download the APK file from Android or follow the instructions to submit the iOS version to the App Store. This way, your Replit app is fully published and can be accessed by users on the mobile device with all the customizations and settings applied. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.